Hey everyone, welcome back to Curiosity Satisfactions. After our last video on food combos to avoid in Ayurveda, you guys loved it, and now you're asking, what should we eat? Today we're diving into 5 healthy food combinations that Ayurveda says can supercharge your digestion and wellness. Stick around to learn these powerful pairings, why they work, and how to add them to your meals. If you're all about natural health, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump in. Quick recap. Ayurveda is all about balancing your digestive fire, or Agni, to transform food into energy. The right food combos, called Samyoga Ahara, work in harmony to boost nutrient absorption, calm your doshas, and keep you vibrant. Let's explore 5 delicious pairings that your body will love. Number 1. Rice and lentils, like in Kitchari. This classic Ayurvedic dish combines basmati rice with mung dal, creating a complete protein that's easy to digest. A 2023 article from Banyan Botanicals explains that this combo balances all 3 doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha, while nourishing your tissues. Add spices like cumin and turmeric for extra digestive power, perfect for lunch or a light dinner. Next up, ghee and whole grains, like quinoa, millet or barley. Ghee's healthy fats lubricate your digestive tract, while whole grains provide steady energy. According to a 2021 article from the Ayurvedic Institute, this pairing kindles Agni without overwhelming it, making it ideal for Vata and Pitta types. Try warm millet porridge with a teaspoon of ghee for breakfast to stay grounded all day. Number 3. Vegetables with digestive spices, like cumin, coriander or fennel. Veggies are nutrient-rich but can be hard to digest raw. A 2024 Only My Health article notes that spices enhance Agni, making veggies like zucchini or carrots more bioavailable. Sauté your greens with a pinch of turmeric and cumin for a kapha balancing side dish that's gentle on your stomach. Number 4. Fresh fruit with nuts, like apples with almonds. Fruits digest quickly, but pairing them with healthy fats from nuts slows digestion just enough to prevent spikes in energy. A 2023 article from Fruitonics highlights that this combo supports Vata balance and provides sustained energy. Snack on sliced pears with a handful of walnuts mid-morning for a perfect pick-me-up. Finally, number 5, warm milk with spices, like in golden milk with turmeric and nutmeg. Milk is nourishing but heavy, so warming it with spices makes it easier to digest and boosts its benefits. A 2020 article from the Ayurveda practice says this combo calms Vata and promotes restful sleep. Sip a small cup before bed, but avoid mixing with salty or sour foods. That's it, folks. These 5 healthy food combos can transform your meals and make you feel amazing the Ayurvedic way. Which one are you excited to try? Drop it in the comments and share your favorite recipes. If you loved this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more wellness tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. Until then, eat wisely and stay vibrant. See you soon.